Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting authorized. Register an API key and note rate limits so you don't hit throttling. Once you have credentials, install the official SDK or plan to use curl for a raw request. This saves parsing time. Next, define the endpoint you'll call, choose the method, get versus post, and sketch the JSON schema for responses. Make sure to set headers like content type and authorization before sending that first request. You now wire up authentication. Implement OAuth 2 for user-level access or an API key for service-to-service calls, because security choices affect token refresh and permissions. Once done, build the request body and validate JSON against required fields to avoid 400 errors. Then implement pagination and retry logic with exponential backoff, so large datasets and transient errors are resilient. You finish by parsing responses and mapping them into models or DTOs so your app uses typed data consistently. Then implement error handling. Distinguish 4xx client errors from 5xx server errors and only retry idempotent methods. This prevents duplicate side effects. Deploy with monitoring for latency, error rate, and quota usage, and add caching for frequent, unchanging responses. If something breaks, first replay the failing request with the same headers and body to isolate client versus server causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.